Well, welcome to the grand opening of our manufacturing hub. What you see today represents a bold vision, a vision for a growing Butler County and a more powerful Ohio. This hub is more than just a building. It is a launchpad for manufacturing dominance in Ohio and to train the future workforce in this high-tech and growing area. It's about training the next generation of talent right here in Butler County. A unique education that is forward looking, in demand, and designed to prepare Ohioans for high paying, sustainable jobs. Ultimately, it's about serving the people of Butler County and Ohio and making us stronger together. This would not have been possible without the spirit of teamwork, collaboration, and camaraderie and partnerships. We united forces and mindsets. Miami University, Butler Tech, Butler County Commissioners, the City of Hamilton, Ohio Means Jobs, to make this vision a reality. We are ready to boost our economy, build wealth, and strengthen families. And this is just the beginning.